Good afternoon, welcome back. This is your man, the Ottoman. I'm here right there to show you the timing of a Civic 2003 model timing. Don't mind the details of the engine, just what I want to give you from the video. If you check from here, from the crankshaft, you can see a mark from the pulley here with the mark here corresponding with this. That shows the number one piston here is totally full. I've turned it around, is fully full. To get the point here, your number one piston must be full. To get the point here at the crankshaft down with the pulley with the mark, to get it, your number one piston here must be fully up. So let's check the inside, maybe it's correct. So now I've removed the pulley, just check it from here. You can see the mark here and the mark inside. Let me show you clearly. See the mark here, you can see the mark here at the back corresponding with the mark outside here at the crankshaft. You can see the mark is under this belt here. The mark is under here. The mark is corresponding with this. There's mark at this rocket. You can see it. The two markers corresponding. And you see this one, your camshaft, this point will be fully facing up. You can see it will be fully facing up, and these two mark here at the side, this side, and this one, this side. You see, this is how you will set the timing correctly without mistaking yourself. So to tension the adjuster, you will see a spring going under this place. That's where you tension it and tighten it back. This is your adjuster. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks a lot.